Okay, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute, and here I am to explain another letter. Otherwise, this
Hello,
letter
sir.
is very easy, and there is nothing much to worry about. There are few words which I have always told you. मैंने आपको हमेशा समझाया. That is the only thing I have taught you right from the word go since the day you have stepped in Dr. BKM, and even now I would like to tell you the same. And that is what I have learned after 7 years of experience of teaching OET exclusively, that you need to consider the line which are difficult. You need to make them simple, and if it is very difficult, please leave it. There is nothing to worry. The same applies to this particular letter. So if I go through letter, using the information, write a referral letter to Miss Joni, the Hidbel Physiotherapy Center, Brick Road, Heidelberg, Victoria. So it's like physiotherapy center ko we have to write the letter. Patient to be discharged from the Heidelberg Rehabilitation Hospital today. So that means patient was in rehabilitation. Just a second. So the patient was in rehabilitation hospital. So we are basically from the rehabilitation hospital. That is what I have told you always. जब भी patient rehabilitation hospital में है, that means the patient has come from somewhere, either after the main treatment, like either after the operation, either after any kind of work accident. So admitted to Royal Health. यहाँ पे तो मेरे को जानना है what exactly is the patient about. So he's a forklift driver, single है, admitted to Royal Melbourne Hospital after accident in emergency. So accident और emergency hospital के बाद तभी मैं कह रहा हूँ कि that is why after he would be sent to our rehabilitation hospital after being admitted to Royal Melbourne Hospital. तो accident और emergency के बाद वो rehabilitation hospital में आया. Had sustained a work accident, क्रश्ड विद द फोर्कलिफ्ट ट्रक. तो रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर में तब जाता है जब पेशेंट ठीक हो गया हो, यानी यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई ट्रीटमेंट हुआ होगा रॉयल मेलबर्न हॉस्पिटल में, जिसके बाद पेशेंट ठीक हो गया होगा. और उसको हुआ क्या था, फोर्कलिफ्ट ट्रक ड्राइवर है, तो वहाँ पे वही फोर्कलिफ्ट. फोर्कलिफ्ट क्या होते हैं, जैसे हम अगर हम इंडिया में जब हम मेट्रो में जाते हैं या वी गो टू अदर बिग स्टोर्स लाइक इजी डेज, तो उनमें क्या होता है, एक ट्रक होता है जिसके नीचे वो सामान को लगाते हैं और सामान को ऊपर उठा देते हैं. सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो डिस्चार्ज टू रिहेबिलिटेशन, तो 1 महीना उसने वहीं पे ट्रीटमेंट ली रॉयल मेलबर्न हॉस्पिटल में. उसके 1 महीने बाद 20th को वो हमारे पास आ गया, और आज है 25 मार्च, यानी वो लगभग 1 महीना हमारे पास भी रहा है. सो द पेशेंट हैज बीन इन बैड कंडीशन फॉर 2 मंथ्स. पहले इसमें, फिर इसमें. सो फिजियोथेरेपी इसमें क्या क्या हुआ, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट असेसमेंट, मेमोरी डिफिकल्टीज, ब्लड विजन लॉसेस, बैलेंसेस विद एम्बिएंट डिस्ट्रैक्शन, डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय द ऑडिटरी. तो जब हमारे पास आया तब फिजियोथेरेपी ने असेसमेंट की, तो ही वाज एडमिटेड ऑन 20th. और ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ एडमिशन, physiotherapist assessment was done, and the patient was found with memory difficulties, blurred vision along with loss of balance with ambient distraction. इसके अलावा ऑडिटरी एंड विजुअल स्टिमुलाई के बारे में ज्यादा मत लिखो, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट को कोई ज्यादा लेना देना नहीं होगा, ज्यादा एक्सरसाइजिंग होगी. So also along with that, he was physically ambulant but had balances disturbance. Also, there was right side weakness and right side fascial numbness was also present. Full stop. The patient was unable to wink and there was tightening of forearm and head, and slow fine motor activity was observed. So that is how you make the sentences. So it is all about the flow. Abhi I am reading it for the first time, still I can make sentences. He had memory difficulties, blurred vision, along with the loss of balance with the ambient distraction. Full stop. Also, he was physically ambulant. Besides, he was physically ambulant but had balances disturbance. There was presence of right side weakness and right side facial numbness was also there. Full stop. The patient was unable to wink, and tightness of right forearm and hand along with slow fine motor activity was observed. Again, I am using the same kind of connectors along with comma and. So it's again, you just need to say was observed, was monitored. So in this case, observed is a better word. So the care plan was made to improve the balance and ambulation and to improve the fine and gross upper extremity function, for which myofascial release and movement therapy for the also myofascial release and movement therapy for the right arm function was given. फिर इस प्लान को रहने दो. Then after a month after a month of treatment, physiotherapist assessment was reconducted and the patient was found with improved balance, and he started walking outside, and also reduced tightness in the right hand was observed. So the care plan has been made. अब इसको प्रेजेंट में भी लिख सकते थे. फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट असेसमेंट हैज बीन डन अगेन एंड पेशेंट हैज बीन फाउंड विद इम्प्रूव्ड बैलेंस एंड नाउ ही कैन वॉक आउटसाइड एंड ऑल्सो रिड्यूस टाइटनेस इन द राइट हैंड हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व्ड. तो वॉज की जगह हैज बीन आ जाएंगे सारे पैसिव वॉइस में. पेशेंट कैन वॉक आउटसाइड, हैज बीन फाउंड विद इम्प्रूव्ड बैलेंस, reduced tightness in the right hand has been assessed, yeah, has been found, yeah, there has been progress, and there is reduced tightness in the right hand now. So now the plan is to increase the fitness and stamina and to phase out the medication. The most important thing to be noted is that the patient wishes to resume his driving, so he is being referred to your physiotherapy center for weekly therapies and then to be continued on the monthly basis. क्यों? क्योंकि patient wishes to resume driving, so the patient is being referred to your physiotherapy center first for the weekly sessions and followed by and mat lagao weekly sessions followed by monthly sessions. So that is how you will write the letter. For the first paragraph, we always write the purpose. Purpose is the overall story. I'm writing this letter regarding Mr. Miller, who was admitted to our hospital, who was admitted to Royal Melbourne Hospital after sustaining a work accident as he got under a forklift truck. Now, then after a month of treatment, he was shifted to our rehabilitation hospital. After giving rehabilitative services, now his condition is better, but still he requires physiotherapy sessions to bring further improvement in his condition. So he is being referred to you for the same, यानी कि physiotherapy sessions के लिए. So I'm just going to unmute you all and we'll stop the recording as well. We'll take your doubts and questions, of course. So I'm just going to stop the recording and we'll unmute you all. So you can ask me as many questions as you would like. I'm stopping the recording. This is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institute. Thank you.